First we need to put the first name and the last name. We will put first name in top first column. And last name in the top second column. Then customize it based on what you like. Change the font size to make it bigger and easy to look at. And besides, it is the header, so it should be bigger. We also need to put shape to assign later for the macro. I will explain it later. You can choose whatever shape you want for this. Go to Developer tab and click the Visual Basic. Then click the Insert tab and choose the user form. Change the size of the user form to fit all the controls that we need. First, put 2 text boxes to type our input data. And also 2 label for the first name and last name. And last, 1 command button. Note that you can change the label and column name in the sheet based on what you want or need. For this tutorial we will put in the caption first name in label 1. And last name on the label 2. And also change the caption on command button 1 to save. We will go now into coding. Double-click the save button that we made. You can follow me or just copy the code in the description. Now go to Insert tab again, and this time we will click the module. By clicking the module we will create a macros that will connect our user form to the shape that we made in the sheet. We will put this code subcall user form. Then hit the enter. You will see the in sub already. In the middle we will put user form 1.show. And that's our macro. Now we will go back in the main spreadsheet to assign our macro in the shape that we made earlier. Right-click the shape and look for Assign Macros. Then you will see our macros. Click the Call User Form 1. And hit OK and we're done. Click the shape to launch our user form. And input your data needed. The first name in our user form will go to first column under first name. And last name in user form will go in the second column under last name. And hit the Save button. After saving, it will automatically clear our text boxes and ready to put again another data. You can put text in our shape that can indicate the name of our user form. Thanks for watching. If you learned something, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be updated every time I upload videos. As always, thanks and be safe always.